Mr. By the Mile. Welcome back, you guys. This is your home for Red Pill content where we discuss the reality and the truth, no matter how cold it is, about male and female nature. Lots and lots of trucking and a little bit of survival, right? So, serious topic today, since we've been bringing in, more people. And I say we because this channel is nothing without you guys, my subscribers. Thank you. Because you hit like, because you share, because you've subscribed, other people are able to see this content and make some life-changing decisions. So, a very serious topic today. The moment, I don't care if it's your 10th year or your first year, your 25th year or your 15th year, the moment you get too comfortable in that driver's seat, it's time to pack it up, get all your shit out the truck, give your keys to the company you're working for, find another job. The moment that you start taking chances with these loads, even if you're just a couple 100 pounds under securement, there is no such thing as an over securement, but there is such thing as under securing a load. You can never be too safe. It doesn't matter if you covered the entire load with straps and all you see is whatever color your company is, that color all the way down, you covered the entire load with straps. So what? I mean, there's only so many winches on a flatbed, right? But you get the drift. Study that book that they give you, okay? Remember, at this company, if you have under 1 year of flatbed experience, they're gonna put you, after orientation, okay? They're gonna get you into a trainer's truck up to 4 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks, and depending how your trainer sees you, okay, however they determine your competency level in this business, however positive that may be or negative that may be, will determine how soon or later you'll be getting into your own truck. So best of luck to you all. Take this job serious, okay? A very wise driver once told me, one of my trainers, I've had 3 trainers in my driving career, and one trainer stands out to me. His name is Johnny, and he said to me, when it's time for you to shut down for the night, whether you've gone home or you shut down at a truck stop, whatever, you're going to sleep, 10-hour rest break, right? Did you and everyone around you get home that day while you were on the road because of you or because you got lucky? Now, I'll tell you, man, there are a lot of truck drivers in this business. Probably a truck driver watching right now. 100% sure. One day or the other got home that day, or someone else got home that day who was around him or her, because he got lucky or she got lucky. Did your skill keep everybody on that road safe, or did you just get lucky? Because nobody's perfect. Nobody's that on the ball. When you're moving 79,000 pounds gross vehicle weight, 80,000 pounds down a highway, at 75 miles an hour, sometimes 80. Hell, who cares? Maybe it's just 55. It's no joke. It's no joke. You can't reverse a mistake that you make in this thing. That's why I love making these videos on this topic so much, because it wakes me up too. Because I need to be checked as well. And I speak with other drivers who keep me in check, and I them. Any man who is serious about their career, hobby, passion, if it's a hobby, career, or passion that requires you to be at your best, to perform at your best, peak performance, you're going to make moves in your life to be better. In this business, you have to eat right. You have to sleep right. Well, eat right, sleep well. Constantly be running that Smith system through your head. Aim high in steering, get the big picture. Keep your eyes moving. Leave yourself an out, make sure they see you. But what are those subcategories? I'm sorry. What does each letter in that acronym mean? What does aiming high and steering mean? What does getting the big picture mean? What is really keeping your eyes moving? How do you make sure somebody sees you? We'll make a video on that. You know me. I don't like to make the videos too long and bore you guys. But I felt it was appropriate to make this video, and I hope that you feel the sincerity in my words when I'm telling you that, seriously, the moment you think you've got it in this business and you don't think you need to ask any questions, it's time for you to go. Because, like I said, ask any real truck driver. You've been in this business 20 years, it doesn't matter. You're not the shit. You may be wise. Sure, you may be wise. You may have a lot of knowledge. Knowledge is nothing if you're not teaching. Knowledge is nothing if that's truly understanding what it is you've learned, which is why I started a channel, so that I can constantly communicate and go over these things that I've learned with you guys. Going down that highway at 65 miles an hour, even though the speed limit might say 75, maybe it's not really the right time. Maybe you're going through a construction zone. It's time to slow way under that speed limit, because other truck drivers are going to come by you. Just because they're truck drivers doesn't make them a professional driver. I learned that real quick. Professional drivers are defensive drivers. Professional drivers prepare and expect for the unexpected. Deer, they are very unpredictable. They run in a very zigzag, unpredictable manner that will make you hit that brake. But should you hit that brake, did you check your mirror first? Is there a vehicle following too closely behind you? Keep that truck moving. When you're moving at 75 and there's an on-ramp coming up, maybe put your blinker on to leave room in case you have to, get over kind of quick, because some jackass is going too slow, or his speed is to a point that where he doesn't see you and you guys are gonna meet at the same time. Well, hey, your left signal's been on for about between a quarter to half mile, because maybe you knew it was coming up, or you see it coming up way down because you're aiming high and steering, so you prepare, put on your blinker. I can't tell you how many pinches that's gotten me out of, from experience. Me putting on that blinker. I have a lot of truck drivers who say, hey man, why the hell do you have, hey driver, turn that blinker off. They say the name of my company. Hey driver, turn that blinker off. Sometimes I'll get back on the radio. Hey, you must not be a professional driver, man. And that's fine. Say whatever you want. What I'm doing on that road is getting people out of some pinches, man. Sure, that's their fault, but they're not professional drivers, are they? I am. I got to do everything I can, because whether it's their fault or not, I don't want to kill anybody, bro. I don't know if there's a kid in that car. There are a lot of drivers out there that say, hey, that's their fault, man. Bro, you don't know who's in that car. And if you're talking like that, you're not a professional driver. Straight up. Nobody wants to kill a child, man. Anyways, you guys, I don't want to make it long. Just give you guys a little bit to chew on and think about. But not only driving, now you got that load to think about securing properly. Make sure you do your load checks. Make sure that you tarp that load correctly so the product doesn't get damaged. Company treats you right, treat the company right. Plain and simple. All right, you guys. Mr. Badama, all you truck drivers out there, stay safe. You new drivers coming to this company, congratulations. See you on the road.